what was it then that in the coaching that you had that you took away and that you still use today? Was there anything from that coaching that?
Am I allowed to name drop the coach?
I'm not sure. If her name is Jackie Goddard, then maybe. If not, maybe not.
She's not a speaker coach by trade, so she's not direct competition. It's Trisha.
Oh, well, of course it's Trisha. I knew it.
Trisha Lewis.
Of course.
So yeah, the one thing which, as soon as she said it, it was obvious to me, but I would never have thought of it myself, was 100% all the way through. What is in the minds of the people you're speaking to? What are their preconceptions? What will keep them interested? How do you pique their interest consistently throughout? Like what can you put in there? So that's the one thing I've kept with me is put yourself in your audience's shoes. And sometimes I watch a speaker. This sounds like I'm out there judging people. I'm not much. But sometimes I see a speaker and it's just like you're not thinking about the audience. Like, it's an honor to be in front of the audience. I'm going to get very worthy now.
Yeah.
It's an honor to be in front of an audience and have them listen to you. Hundreds of people listening to you. They've got to sit through whatever you've got to say. For goodness sake, pay them the respect of thinking about, where they are, what their preconceptions are, like what are they expecting, what are they not expecting, and just think about them.
Yeah, absolutely. It's always about the audience. I mean, I love Trisha Lewis. Absolutely. I did some training with her very early on when I started my business. So yeah, big up to Trisha. Absolutely, though, it is about the audience, and so many people don't consider that. Plus, it kind of it makes them nervous because they think it's all about them, and actually, it's not.
No, and that really helped my mindset as well. It's like it's not about you. Somebody.